today's video. If you've watched my last few videos, then you know that I absolutely love all things fall. And definitely one of my favorite things about fall is all the smells of fall. I love the cozy fall vibes, and I love the scents of cinnamon and cloves and nutmeg, and of course, pumpkin spice. In today's video, I want to show you how to make your home smell absolutely delicious and smell like fall. And the great thing about what we're going to do in this video is you probably won't even have to leave your house to do it. The only supplies that you'll need would be an orange, an apple, cinnamon sticks, and some whole cloves. If you'd like to learn how to make your home smell absolutely delicious with no expensive essential oil or expensive fall candles, with all natural things that you probably already have right in your very own kitchen, then just keep watching. I love for our home to smell warm and inviting and cozy. But sometimes you just don't want an artificial fragrance like from a candle. Today my allergies are just really going crazy, so I didn't want to have any artificial scents in my house from candles and things like that. So I just wanted to create my own. It's all natural. It won't aggravate your allergies, your sinuses. So for anyone that is sensitive to smells and fragrances, this is perfect for you. Okay, so to get started, all you need is just a large pot. This will be our simmer pot. First thing we'll do is just slice our apple. Next up, we'll just slice our orange. Pot ready to go. I'm just gonna add about 4 cinnamon sticks and see what I think about that. Go ahead and just toss some cloves in there. I'm gonna let this heat up on the stove. I'll check back in with you in about 10 minutes and let you know the progress. So this has been simmering for 10 minutes now. It's starting to make the house smell really, really good. I'll go ahead and get my cinnamon sticks down in there really good to see if I need to add any more. Oh yeah, that is smelling fantastic. So it is starting to come to a boil, so I'm going to go ahead and put the heat down to a lower temperature so it can just simmer. You can smell the apples and the oranges and the cinnamon. Oh, it's smelling really, really good. Once your simmer pot starts to boil, you can go ahead and turn that down on low, and all you need to do is check it about every 30 minutes just to make sure it still has plenty of water. It just smells delicious. I wish you could smell it right through the screen. It's easily adaptable. You can add vanilla extract if you wanted to. You can add more or less cinnamon or nutmeg. You can just adjust it to your own personal taste. I love having these simmer pots going in my home all throughout the fall and holiday season. When hubby's come in, he's never said, "Oh, that candle smells delicious." But he always comments about how good the house smells when I have a simmer pot going. Just add water as needed, and your simmer pot should last for a couple of days. And then you just change everything out and start again. I hope you'll give this simmer pot a try at home too. You see how easy it is to bring all the warm and cozy smells of fall right into your home with nothing artificial, no harmful chemicals, nothing expensive to buy. You just can't beat it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a like if you're going to try a simmer pot in your own home. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye-bye.
Do y'all smell it? Does it smell good? Huh? Do you smell it?